Hi guys, it's afternoon this side. It's actually about 3 o'clock. And when I don't have proper sleep, like last night I was up for a while, for about 2 hours, between 4 to 6. And because of that, when I woke up later at about 9 or whatever, I was really sleepy. So I had about, I think I had missi roti and paratha last night. Missi roti and dal last night, and I think that got too much somehow. I had it about 9:15. I did have a decent walk after that, but the dal is a lot, it's a whole bowl. So because of that, I think my sleep got affected. So I did catch up for a bit of sleep in the afternoon. Now I'm feeling fresh, so that's very important. That's one of the things I've written in my to-do list to get proper sleep. Because when I get proper sleep, I feel functional. Otherwise, I don't feel functional. Anyways, Monday is supposed to be rest, and I couldn't rest yesterday because I had to run around for a couple of things around the whole city, and it didn't even work out. So, I have caught up a bit of a rest now because it's also important because today I have a gym marathon. The gym marathon is from 6 to 9:30. This is the third week of the gym marathon, and I'm continuing with it. So I'm doing legs, I'm doing boxing, and followed by that I'm doing dance class. So yeah, that's a similar 3.5 hours gym marathon. I've come to a market now. I have some errands to complete, so I'm here. The weather, somehow it was really hot since morning, but the weather right now is very pleasant. It's actually drizzling right now. You can see some raindrops on my glasses, or it's actually on the phone right now. You can't probably see, but the weather has become really pleasant, and according to news, there has been a rain deficit in June. The rain has not been enough. It's been 146 years of something like the June has been the amount of rain that it rained this year in June is it's a record. It was this low like 146 years back. So good. It's raining. I think it's raining, and I drove while it's raining. So I'm happy the weather is pleasant right now. So I have some errands to finish, and after that I'll go back. There's some administrative bullshit to attend to, but today mostly I'm in a rest mode because weekends are generally very hard for me, and I get very tired. And Monday is supposed to be rest day, but it wasn't a rest day yesterday, so my body is really tired. So I'm a bit of a recovery mode today. Then I have an important call, which is an administrative call. I defined administrative earlier, right? Stuff that I have to do, which is not enjoyable, but it needs to be done because that's how life is. So there's shit that needs to be done, right? So that's administrative. So that's what I call administrative. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then in the gym marathon, then there's no food at home, so I'm gonna drive down to my sister's place where my mom's there, and come back tomorrow morning with food for the week. So it lasts me, like, she gives me food for like about one whole week. So there's a consistency in terms of the quantity that she's kind of figured out, and so I get it. So now I'm gonna do that tonight, and obviously it's a stage break also. Tuesday is a stage break, so I'm gonna take a stage break tonight, and gym marathon stage break, that's Tuesday. And Wednesdays are gym break. So tomorrow, although last week I did not take a gym break, but ideally Wednesday is a gym break because I'll do a gym marathon. So tomorrow I'm supposed to be on a break from the gym. So let's see how that works out. I hope you're feeling well. I hope you're feeling happy. Don't get administrative stuff bog you down. If your life is all administrative, then you need to fix your life, because you need to have stuff that you enjoy. Otherwise, if your life is full of administrative shit which you don't enjoy, you'll find yourself bogged down by life, because when you don't enjoy yourself, when you're not happy, life weighs heavily on you, right? Life weighs heavily on all of us. It's already heavy. Like this comedian, I forget his name, Kaviraj, he said recently कि ज़िंदगी उस दिन भी मुश्किल है जिस दिन कुछ गलत नहीं हुआ. So ज़िंदगी उस दिन भी मुश्किल है जब कुछ गलत नहीं हुआ. So ज़िंदगी अदरवाइज हम पर भारी ही है, और एक कॉमेडी ही ऐसी जगह है जब हम ज़िंदगी को कहते हैं ले भोसड़ी की, ऑल्दो आई डोंट अब्यूज, बट दैट्स अ जोक. ही सेड ले भोसड़ी की, जोक मार दिया तुझको. So enjoy comedy and make time for shit that makes you happy, right? Because if you don't do that, then it's very, very, very easy to get bogged down with life. Life will get heavy on you if you don't push towards things that make you happy. Okay, so always push towards things make you happy. Make time for them. Even if you have a busy administrative schedule, make time for like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. Because once you make time for them, once you get hooked to moments and moments in your life, it makes you happy, right? You won't be able to get back to your previous life because you are in a life where you don't enjoy life and it's full of administrative shit because you haven't made time for shit that's important for you. So make time for shit that's important for you. Make time for shit that makes you happy. Then life will feel like being alive, right? You'll feel like living. Okay, so I hadn't recorded a clip since morning, so this video has somehow become like about 6 minutes long, which is fine. So yeah, I think that's what I am up to, and I'll keep reminding you to be happy. Keep reminding you to try to be happy because trying is important. Yesterday I was talking to Muskan, who's a comedian, and she told me, I asked her how the day was, and she's like, किसी ने मुझसे ये पूछा कि आपको जो चाहिए वो ना मिले तो, and then I asked her what your answer was, and she's like, अगर आपको जो चाहिए वो ना मिले तो आपको इस बात की तो तसल्ली होगी कि आपने कोशिश करना ज़रूरी है. Even if we don't achieve our heart's cravings, the fact that Shimit said the same thing. Shimit has been in comedy for the longest time, and I asked him what the things that made him happy, and I remember this is one thing he said. He said the fact that you're trying will give you the satisfaction. So try, okay? Please try. Trying is important. Okay, I'm tired talking now. So whatever time of the day you're watching this, I wish you well. I wish you joy, and I'll keep reminding you to try to be happy. Please try to be happy. I'll catch you later. Hi guys, heading to the gym for the gym marathon. It's 5:48 now, and it starts at 6 and goes on till 9:30 today. I'm doing legs at 6, followed by boxing at 7. Then I'll do a bit of running between 8 and 8:30, and then 8:30 to 9:30 is dance. It's hard. It's fucking hard. Trust me. But yeah, man. I got a tattoo called "Do Fucking Hard," so we're gonna do it. Hey guys, so gym marathon week 3. Tick. We're done. Just walking back because I walked to the gym. I don't know why. Why did I walk? But I walked. So 6 to 9:30 legs, followed by boxing, followed by legs, boxing, followed by a bit of crunches, like 100 crunches, followed by dance. Until dance I kicked ass. I fucking kicked ass. Like I've literally built my stamina this year. 3.5 hours of non-stop workout. Like I would have taken like 20 minutes, 10 minutes break before the dance session after the gym and crunches, but that's about it. Like literally 3.5 hours of and dance class. Like I was fire. So it's not that I was tired and I didn't have the full energy. I did breathe for like 5-10 minutes before the dance class, the time that I had, and I was fire. I think I'm trying to prove a point. In July onwards, I'll start proving it. Cool. Thanks for watching. I have to drive to my sister's place now. It's a long drive. I'm really hungry. I've had only 3 slices of bread since morning. So I'm really hungry. I'll figure out what to do. Either I eat something now or I'll eat something later at her home. But I'm really hungry now. Hey guys, the day review. I don't have much to add today to the day review besides the fact that I did a gym marathon. I'm extremely exhausted. There was Prachi there in the gym today, and she said, "You'll exhaust yourself." And you're right, I have exhausted myself. I knew I would exhaust myself, but Tuesdays are gym marathon days. So because last night my sleep was really fucked up, so I did catch up on some sleep in the afternoon and some rest so that I could hit 3.5 hours of gym, which is really hard. So I did legs at 6, followed by boxing at 7, followed by crunches in the gym, and followed by dance at 8:30, 9:30 dance. So that's a massive gym marathon. Because it's a gym marathon, I'm happy I'm managing the strength and the energy to do it. So yeah.
This is also squeezed on this. I did not hit the show today. So yeah, off on the stage. Tomorrow is a gym off day. Let's see if I manage to keep my promise. Because last week I did. Last week I did hit the downstairs of Wednesdays. So I'm a cheater that is. I hope you're feeling well.